Hello, sir. So again, very good morning to all of you guys. I hope I'm audible, visible, everyone. Just a quick confirmation, please. Just a quick confirmation, please, on whether I'm audible as well as visible. Am I audible, visible, everybody? Just a quick confirmation. Just a very quick confirmation. Chalo, sir. So again, here we are with the part two, of the second shift, right? Part two, second shift of your PYQ, of your PYQs. So again, let us start, sir. Let us start with our session. Now, we have solved a few few questions in the last class yesterday, and also I have solved one set of DI. So let's do one thing, sir. First, let's complete the DIs. Let us complete the DIs first. So these set we have done. So any problem you have, a few questions, because it's impossible for me to solve each and every question, right? So I've given you the way. So I'm guessing and I'm hoping you guys can solve. Now let's do the same thing for this, and there are two other sets. Sir, पहले वो वाला कर लेते, then we'll move on to the other things. Then we can definitely move on to your other parts. Now, everyone, please read this question once. So there are two things that is given here. There are two things. Sir, following line graph shows the number of persons not attending the seminar out of total persons, and percentage of number of males attending the seminar out of total persons attending the seminar. You see some like two things given, sir, in the line graph. One is, sir, percentage of persons not attending seminar, percentage of male attending seminar. So let's do one thing for your understanding. Na, if you guys want, I can take a screenshot and I can solve it in my board. I guess that will be better. एक काम करो, रुक जाओ sir. Just give me 1 second. I'm just copying it there so that we all have the understanding. We all have the proper understanding. Okay, sir? This is the given. These two things are given to everyone, given to us. Okay? Now, let me just, I guess you guys can now see this. You guys can now see the information that is given. You guys can see the information that is given to you. Right? Now, another thing, the question. Let's take one question. Let us take one question, sir. So this is how the question looks. This is how the question actually looks. I'm quite certain now everybody can see this and we can solve this sukoon se. We can solve this sukoon se. Now please let me say this. This was not a very simple set. This is not a set which will just say, sir, I'll see an answer. ऐसा नहीं है, sir. थोड़ा सोचना पड़ेगा, sir. So this is the blue line is a percentage of persons not attending seminar, and this orange one, percentage of male attending the seminar out of total persons, out of like whatever many number of people have attended the seminar, how many percentages, like how much percentage is male, that is given. Now, and this like table, sir, out of the persons who have not attended seminar, male-female ratio is given for 4 different cities. Now here, let's see what they are talking about. They are talking about number of females attending the seminar is from city E is this, which is 40%. Now first things first, city E to hai nahi. And please understand, whenever you see such a situation, there is no mention of city E in our set. That means that information is connected to some of the given cities. Here, which is 40% more than the number of females attending from city D. So ultimately, all my calculations needs to be done on D. All my calculations needs to be done on D. Actually, this is the variable here. E is given just to make this question a little more complicated. That's all. That's all there is. So first things first. CTE is 40% more number of females. So number of females from like attending the seminar from D, it will be what, sir? So 13,440. It represents, sir, 40% more, meaning 140%. And I need the value of 100%. Do this, sir. So this is gone. 14. So 7 twos are this. 7 ones are this. This is 64. 7 nines are 63. 1 7 twos are this. So 2 se karoge to it is 96. So this is number of females attending. This is 9,600, sir. 9,600 people attended, like females attended. Now they are saying, find the value of X if the total persons in the city is X square. Achha, sir, let's do one thing. All the values are in percentage. If we go with normally X, we will get into some trouble. So let's say, so total number of persons in city D, I'm taking 100A, let's say, A, B, C, whatever, because I cannot take X is there. Now, percentage of people who have not attended seminars, sir. For city D, this is, sir, 20%. This is 20%, sir. That means 80% people have attended. That means 80% of the persons have attended the seminar. So that means how many people attended, sir? 80. 80% of 100A is 80. Right? Now let me say this. Out of that, sir, male percentage is what? Sir, 70% of them were male, sir. So female will be how much, sir? 30% of them. 30% of them will be female, sir. That value is given to you as 9,600. Because number of females attended the seminar. Calculate kar lo, sir. This is 4 times, this is 5 times. 5 6 are this. 6 16s are this. Okay? Achha, that means 4 4s are this. So the value of A is 400, sir. Now they are not asking the value of A. So that means the number of persons in the city is 100A. So 100A ka value will be, sir, 400 and 2 zeros, sir, 40,000. Now this is given. This is the total population. This is only X square. Na? This is only X square according to the question. So if this is X square, so that means I'm just writing it over here. Sir, X square is equal to 40,000. So what will be the value of X? Sir, this is 200, sir. 200 will be the value of X, option number C. Option number C is our correct answer, sir. Everybody, is this clear? Everybody. Is this 100% clear, sir? Is this 100% clear? Very, very, very good question. Option C is the correct answer, sir. Option C here is most definitely the correct answer. Tell me please, everyone. Clear hai, sir? Is it clear, sir? Is it clear, sir? Very, very, very simple question. You see, you must go step by step. Step by step jana bahut important hai, sir. Let's do one more. Ye wala bhi kar le. Chalo, let's do. Because you see, why I'm doing one more? Because first question when I solved, I understood, sir, this first question did not have anything to do with this. This is the table. So at least let's do one more. Let us do one more. And that has something to do with this. That has something to do with this. The table. So thoda difficulty level, sir, badhega. Acha, sir, is it okay if I just erase everything? Is it okay if I erase everything? Yes, sir. Chalo, okay, chalo. So I'm just getting rid of this question and I'm putting in the other question. I'm putting in the next question, sir. I hope you guys can see this now. I hope you guys can see this now. Total number of persons in city C is given, sir. We are talking about C. Perfect. And males not attending seminar is 280, sir. Achha, some information is given. Difference between male and female attending seminar is P minus Q, meaning from here I need to figure out P and Q. They're asking some like the value of P and Q. They are asking us the value of P and Q. Achha, let's see. Let's see, sir. So total number of persons in city, sir, C is P plus 480. Okay. Now, how many people So not attending, they're saying. So I will make my equation, or I'll try to figure out the kind of the information about not attending here. So not attending, sir, CTC is the blue graph is at 35%. So not attended the seminar is 35 by 100 out of them, sir, 35%. Now out of them, whoever has not attended, how many are male, sir? How many of male, sir? So 2 parts out of 2 plus 3, 5 parts. So 2 by 5 parts. It is male. It is given as 280. And you see, I'll get my value of P from here. Very simply, I'll say 5 sevens are this. 7 twos are 14. 14 twos are 28. This is this. So P plus 480 value, it is 2000. The first things first, this value is you remember, this is the total number of persons, total population I'm just writing. Of what? Of CTC, sir. And I need the value of P as well, because here I need to put the value of P. So P का value sir निकाल लो इधर से. Figure out the value of P. 500, 1500, 1520 sir. 1520 sir. That is the value of P. Keep it like this. Keep it like this. Now, another information is given, but that information is given around attending the seminar. So, फिर से calculate sir. Sir, how many people have attended the seminar? P plus 480. Sir, can I do it like directly, sir? Sir, 2000 total people. Sir, how much percentage of that? Sir, 35% have not attended. That means 65% has attended. 65 by 100. These many people have attended. These many people have attended. Out of them, sir, what is the male percentage? Male percentage is 30%. So male is 30%, sir. So female is how much, sir? The remaining must be female, the 70%. So they are asking the difference is given. So difference is 40%, sir. So this is the total number of people who have attended. 40% of that, the difference is given as P minus Q. P is 1520 minus Q. You can figure out, or we can figure out Q from here. Q nikal lo, sir. This is 2 by 5. 00 gone, 00 gone. 5 13s are this. Anything else? Nothing. So 13 into 4, 52, sir. 520 is 1520 minus Q. Very good. Q is 1000, sir. Q value is 1000. Now we can figure out everything. 2P plus Q will be how much, sir? 2P plus Q. So 2 into P is 1520. So 3040, sir. Plus 5Q is, sir, 5000. Q is 1000. So the answer is 8040. है क्या ऑप्शन में? ये देखो ऑप्शन ए में. This is there in option number A only. This is there in option number A only, sir. Very, very, very simple stuff once again. Perfect. Clear, everyone? So that means, sir, let's do this, sir. Yaar, I have not shared it, kya? At least some of you must have said something, na? You see, I have done this question without sharing this. My mistake. At least comment, na? Anyone is, so many people are here. At least comment, somebody. At least comment. Because I cannot see all these things, na, together. Sorry. Extremely sorry. So just a quick repetition, sir. P plus 480 was the total. P plus 480 was the total number of persons. Out of that, sir, 35% have not attended the seminar. This is this. Out of that, 2/5 means 40%. Sorry, no, not this 40%. 2/5 is this, sir. Male is, sir, 2 out of 5 parts. So this is the number of males who have not attended the seminar. That is given as 280. From there, we figured out the value of P plus 480 is 2000. That is the total population. And the value of P is, sir, 2000 minus 480. That is 1520. Now again, now there difference between male and female they are asking. difference between male and female they are asking. Difference between male and female they are asking, sir. Actually, they have given. Difference between male and female will be what, sir? 2000 into 65 by 100. Now, this is difference between attending male and female. So, attending male and female will be what, sir? 65%, because 35% have not attended the seminar. So, total number of persons who have attended is 65. Out of that, 30% male. So, the remaining 70% must be female. So, difference is 40%. So, these many people are attending the seminar. 40% of them is equal to P minus Q that is given. P is 1520. I have put the value of P here. So, from there, I have made my equation, found out Q to be 1000. So, now I can figure out they are asking 2P plus 5Q. That value will be, sir, 8040. That value is going to be 8040, sir. I hope this is clear. I hope this is clear. Again, my mistake. Like, I have so many things in front of me now. I completely missed out on sharing this part. I'm just like kind of sharing one thing, then like blinding one thing. Hopefully this DI is clear, sir. Hopefully this DI we can now do. Chalo. Let's move on to the next one. Let us move on to the next question. Jaldi se, sir. Sir, wrong number series. Wrong number series questions. Again, is it okay if can you guys see this? रुको एक बार देख लेते हैं. Should I increase the size? Should I increase the size here? हाँ, थोड़ा increase करेंगे तो अच्छा होगा, sir. I hope this is now okay. This is now okay. चलो, sir. 712. It's always in case of, especially for this wrong numbers, it is better you write it at least once. One 1052 1167. Right, sir? Venkat. Okay, perfect. Venkat, if you had commented before na, last question, I made a mess. ठीक है, चलो क्या ही करें. Sir, what is the gap? So first things first, the very first thing you need to see whether it's a difference based on or it is a multiplication based, product based. Sir, it is quite evident this is difference based. So let's see. Sir, how much is the difference? 710 to 780. 710 to 780 is 60, sir. So this is 2, 1. That means, sir, 59. Difference of 59, sir. 59, sir. Sorry, 69. एक सेकेंड, उल्टा करे क्या? 69, सर. पागल है क्या? So 69 is the difference, sir. Right? Now, next difference, sir. 860 minus 781, sir. You see, 780 to 860. 780 to 860 is 80. So it is plus 79, sir. अच्छा, कुछ pattern तो already I can see. Patterns to something we can already see. Achha, this is 952 was there. So if I now say, sir, how much will that be? How much is this? Sir, 860 to 960 is 100 minus 8, sir. That is 92 I can see. Pattern chala gaya, sir. Pattern chala gaya, sir. This is 100. And this is, sir, this is how much, sir? 1052, sir, it is 100 and, sir, 15. 115, sir. Now, any pattern whatsoever you can see. So, the gap of 10, sir. The gap of, sir, 80, so 13. The gap of, sir, 18. The gap of, sir, 15. Huh. Something is not right here. Something is not right over here. Right? You see, because you see, always 99. So in this double difference questions, the best one tip I can give you guys, it is, if it is increasing, it is increasing. If it is decreasing, it is decreasing. So ये haphazard नहीं होना चाहिए, sir. Increasing, decreasing. So I am having a strong feeling कि sir this might be my answer, because this is the this is the reason, this is the number which is causing the trouble. Let's see once again if I can do anything. 69 plus 70, like 10 is 79. I'm just assuming this is correct. 79, 79, if it was not 92, or rather, if it was 90 only. Why? Because 10, then I'm trying to figure out this as 11. I'm just trying to say, कि चलो देखते, if this is 11, let's say for example. Now 11, this is 90, that means this will become, एक सेकंड मैंने क्या किया, अच्छा sorry, one mistake I had made. This is not 8, this is like 18, this is 8. So 90 and this, just a second, if it was 19, sir, then this number will change. Na? This number will change to 950. 950, 79, 10, then sir 11, then 12. 12 if I do, yes sir, yes. If this now then becomes 12. You see, 12, then these things will change definitely, because this value have changed. Sir, 100%, sir, 952 is the wrong answer. Then it is coming na 10, 11, 12, 13 and so on and so forth. ऐसे करके बढ़ रहा है sir. Yes, Venkat, thank you brother. So my answer is 952. The answer here is 952. That is the wrong term. And the correct answer should be, sir, what? Should be like this 950. Perfect, sir. 952 is the answer. Clear, everyone? Let's move on. Let us move on, sir. Any idea here? Any idea here? Just let me check here. मेरे को डर लग गया. After solving one question like this, na, I completely solved the question of the entire thing and got it कि नहीं गड़बड़ है. ठीक है सर, चलो let's do, sir. 643 again, sir. It is difference based. Now, like I have a thumb rule in my classes. I generally say works 99.9%. You see, there is nothing in number series where you can say this will work 100 upon 100 times. No, like the number series is one such chapter only. Number series itself is a one such chapter where there is nothing called 100%, right? So every rule you make will have an exception. Every rule will have an exception. So you cannot do anything like that, like there. So what I am actually doing, okay, sir, generally the thumb rule is if the numbers are double or more than double, into 2 or more, then we think about, sir, there might be some multiplication going on. Exceptions are there. I'm not saying this will happen 100 upon 100 times, but generally if there is something less than double, it is better to go with normal difference. ठीक है, 643, 784, 958, 1153, 1381, 1636. That these are the given terms. These are your given terms. Sir, calculate this. So this is 644 to 784 is, sir, one, like it is 644 to 84 is 140. So it is 141. Rings any bells? Square ka bell hai, sir. Let's see, sir. Let us see, sir. 784 to this. It's better like do it normally, sir. 784. Sir, 4 is this. 961, sir. 164. Sir, what about this, sir? Sir, 1153, 958. So 953 to 1153, 200. So it will be, sir, 5 less, meaning, sir, 195. Sir, again, sir, what about this? 1381 minus 1153, sir. This is, let's see, Venkat, let's see, brother. Let's see. So 53 to 80, sir, 17 is 27, 28, sir. And this is, sir, 2. So 228. आ गया almost. आ गया, sir, almost. But still, for everyone's sake, let's do this. 1381, sir. This is 5, this is 9, this is 4, this is 4, this is 2. 295, sir. Sorry. 295. I'm just writing over here. The pattern, yes, Venkat, because I am also thinking yehi garbar hai. The pattern is of square and cube. The pattern is of square and cube, everyone. Like not cubes, square से ही बन जाएगा sir. Square से ही बन जाएगा. Why? This is where you need a little bit of practice. This is where you need a little bit of practice, everyone. Yes, क्या गड़बड़ हो रहा है sir? क्या गड़बड़? Just a second. Just a second. So everyone, whenever I'm seeing this, na, एक second, sir. Yes. Sir, look at these values. And can you tell me, sir, is there something wrong, or is like, can you find any pattern here? Venkat, any pattern whatsoever, brother. Any patterns whatsoever here. Any patterns whatsoever. I can see a very beautiful pattern, sir. I can see one very, very, very beautiful pattern, sir. एक second. I've made a mistake here somehow. Just a second, everyone. Last वाला में हमने कुछ mistake किया कि this is 4. अरे यार, this is 5. 8 5s are this, and said this to 255 होना चाहिए. अच्छा, I'm also saying क्या हुआ, ये एक ही मैच नहीं हो रहा है. Sir, 255 rings any bells? Sir, 16 squared minus 1, sir. 16 square minus, yes, absolutely. Venkat, perfect. So it is square terms ka, sir. It is square terms ka something we are getting. Sir, 228, sir. 228, anything, sir. Sir, it is 225 plus 3. So 15 square plus 3. So again, the thing is that, like the natural numbers, the consecutive number square, एक में sir minus 1, एक में sir plus 3. Just normally go with this and check whether it is matching. Sir, then by the same logic, it should be 14 square minus 1. It is matching, yes, sir, 196 minus 1. So this should be, sir, 13 square plus 3. Sir, this is not matching, sir. ये match नहीं हो रहा है, sir. That means why it is not matching? This is wrong. Now you might say, sir, why you are not saying this was wrong? Because if this is wrong, then this thing will come wrong. This thing is not coming wrong. This is correct. So that means this has nothing to do. This has nothing to do like with that. So the answer which is wrong is this. So 784 option number C is your correct answer. Everybody clear, sir? Everybody clear? That's your answer. That's your answers. Let's move on. Let us move on, sir. Sir, this one, sir. I'm just again writing 499 1 2. Let's do one thing. 499 1218 1723 2059 2269. Now, sir, first two terms are giving us the idea कि sir we should multiply because it's more than twice. But look at the whole, like look at all the terms. Look at all the terms, sir, and tell me what is going on here. What is going on over here? Look at all the terms. Is it multiplicative series or more product based series or difference based series? So it is very evident it's difference based. It is very, very evident that it is difference based. Right? चलो difference लेते हैं, sir. So this looks only big. एक काम करो. Let's start from this side again. So 59, 69 means 10, 210, sir. 210 ka difference, sir. 210. So this one, sir. Do it normally, sir. 2059, 1723. So this is 6, this is 3. This is 3, sir. 336. Now again, if you have practiced enough questions, these numbers only will ring some bells. Numbers ही कुछ ना कुछ बता के जाएगा आपको, sir. So 1218. So this is 5 and this is, sir, 500. So this is 505, sir. And this is how much, sir? 500. So 718, 719, sir. Now, From these things, any bells or whistles? कौन call कर रहा है भाई? Just a second. चलो सर, चलो सर. Sir, anything that you are getting, anything that you guys are getting here, anything at all, sir. Anything at all, sir. Sir, 210. The best thing that is coming to my mind after just seeing 210, the first thing, अरे यार फिर से मैं बोर्ड खोल लिया. Sir, it is ना sir, 6 cube 216 minus 6. Because it's a very, very, very popular values used in many cases. So, let's see now, sir, can we do anything like this? This is 6 cube minus 6. Sir, can you say anything around this for 336 or 505 or something? It might be minus plus, anything works. Minus plus, anything works. Venkat, anything at all, brother? Anything at all, brother? Anything at all, sir? Anything at all, sir? Sir, it is increasing. 210, it is increasing. So 336 is around cube of what, sir? 343 is a cube. 7 cube, sir. 7 cube minus 7, 43 minus 7, you see I'm getting. And I got our pattern. Pattern mil gaya, sir. 6, 7, then this should be, sir, 8 cube minus 8. That is 504, sir. 512 minus, sir, 4. So this is wrong. This is wrong means this is wrong, sir. 1218, option E is the answer. Option E is the answer, sir. Option E is your answer, sir. Clear? Clear, sir? Yes. Chalo, chalo, chalo. Again, sir. 309, I'm just again writing 309 516 932 1764 3728. Sir, again, sir, not double wala thing, so we can go with normal. We can go with difference, sir. 309 and 516. 316 to 516 is, sir, 200. So this is 193, I guess. This is 193, right? Just a second. 6. सिक्स ऊपर ना, हाँ ठीक है सर. 9, अच्छा 7, एक सेकेंड, क्या गड़बड़ किया. 197, सॉरी सर. अच्छा सर, दिस इज 7, दिस इज 207. सो गड़बड़ मैंने किया सर. प्लस की जगह 200 से 7 माइनस कर दिया इंस्टेड ऑफ डूइंग प्लस. माई मिस्टेक, राइट सर. नाउ अगेन 932 minus 516. 16 is there, 400 is there. Okay, sir. Now, 1764 minus 932, sir. 32 here and this is, sir, 8. Sir, I am getting this feeling, sir, ये ना double है, sir. This should also be double. This means this should be 208. That means 309 is wrong, sir. 309 is wrong, sir. You see, just by looking at these values, yes, sir, that's my answer. That's my answer. Yes, Venkat, absolutely perfect. Absolutely perfect. Sir, again, sir, these ones. Baapre. Sir, it is clear-cut division going on. Clear-cut division going on, right, sir? And sir, look at the values. Division means direct होने का कुछ chance है, हाँ sir, बिल्कुल. Sir, it is into 3, sir. Just division means opposite side से multiplication. Sir, into 3. So this is 33, 3s are 99. This is into 3, absolutely. So this should also be into 3. Just check into 3 करके sir आ रहा है या नहीं. Sir, 9963 into 3. So 9 3s are 27,000. 900 is at 2700. 63s are, sir, 180. This is 9. 98829. 29889. So this must be the wrong number. 88667. Because all the other numbers are correct. All the other numbers are correct. I'm not calculating. Let's take a leap of faith. It's correct. It is correct, sir. Because all the other numbers are correct means कुछ ना कुछ तो गलत होना है. Perfect, sir. Perfect, sir. चलो. Now I'm just. Now I guess you guys. I hope you guys can see this. I hope you guys can see this. I hope that you guys can see this. Or if you need me to increase the font size, please do let me know. Please do let me know. I hope you guys can see this. चलो एक छोटा सा तो बढ़ा ही सकते सर. ठीक है सर. This I guess is better. चलो. Now, Aman Rohan entered into a partnership this and this. After 1 year, Tapan joined with this money. End of 2 years, total profit is this, Tapan's is this. Achha sir. Sir, Aman, Rohan, Tapan. Sir, P plus 25,000. Not very difficult actually. This is P plus 15,000. And sir, this is only sir 2P rupees. But there is problem. 2 years ka sir is the like term, tenure. Tapan was there for last 1 year. So ratio, but Aman and Rohan, both of them were there for the entire 2 years. So that means now Tapan is getting 15,000. Let's figure out the Tapan shares. Tapan will get 2P amount out of total sir 2P, 4P plus 2P sir 6P plus 15 and 25, 42 are 80,000 rupees. This is total. Out of that 2P amount will be like who will get? Tapan will get. That is given as 15,000 out of 69,000. 15 by 69. Calculate kar lo, sir. Calculate this, sir. So it will be, sir, 69 into 2 sir, 138p. This is, sir, 90p plus 15 into 8. 15 into 8 are 105, right? Sorry, 120, sir. 120. So, like 120 meaning 12 lakh rupees. 120,000 like 0. Now, so from there I can say 9 this is 48p. It is equal to 120, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 12 fours are this, 12 ones are this, 1 lakh sir. So 4 25s are this, so 25,000. So the value of P comes out to be 25,000 rupees. Now you can normally initial difference between the initial amounts by Aman and Rohan. Sir, this and this. अरे सर ये तो बहुत सिंपल है सर. You don't need P here because P cancels. Difference they are asking. So it will be 10,000. Answer. What about this? In Tapan is 2P, that is 2 into like this is where P is 25, that is 50,000. 50,000 minus Rohan. Rohan is this. P is at 25, so this is 40,000. So that is 10,000 also. So both are equal, sir. Q1 equal to Q2. Option E, sir. Option E, Q1 equal to Q2 is the correct answer, sir. Option E, Q1 equal to Q2 is most definitely your correct answer. Clear everyone? Clear everyone, I hope. Moving on, sir. अच्छा. Last one good set. एक अच्छा good like set है. अच्छा, let's do one thing then. Let me just take it to the na. Let me just take this to our next page, sir. So again, everybody, this must be clear. This must be clear to everyone. Correct? So I'm just copying the question. So just give me 1 second. Just copying this so that you guys can see everything. You guys can see everything. That's the only objective. I guess now you guys can see this. Just one question let's take, because everyone, just let me know whether you guys can see this question. Whether you guys can see the question. So I've just taken it as screenshot so that you get, and the font size you guys can see everyone. Just a quick yes or no. Just a very quick yes or no. You guys can see this, the font size and everything. The font size and everything, you guys can see this. Just a quick yes or no. Chalo. Chalo, sir. Now. Caselet type set, very, very, very important set actually. Very good set. Sir, below given are the steps to calculate employee EPF, Provident Fund. Increase, like which one I should increase, Venkat? Tell me now, brother. Tell me which one I should increase. This one. Now it's okay. ये भी क्या? I hope now it's okay. It's okay. Now it's okay, right? Data. Yes. Now it's okay, na? Now it's okay. I've increased it a little bit because if I increase it even more, na to garbar hai, sir. So I cannot like. Chalo, chalo, ठीक है. Perfect, perfect. Chalo. Now, EPF of an employee is employee contribution plus employer contribution. Very realistic set actually. And sir, employee contribution 12% of basic plus DA. And employer contribution basic plus DA minus 8.33% of 15,000. Achha, one thing, sir. This is equal to everybody knows 1 by 12, right? 8.33%. Use this. These are the percentage to fraction shortcuts. I've talked about these many, many times. Now, dearness allowance, the DA can be written, sir, 40,000 to 60,000 is 40%, less than, greater than that, it's 20%. Now they have given us 5 employees. Now it's very important. Office basic salary can be calculated. Basic salary is 250 into total working hours. Total working hours is what? Number of working days into average working hours in a day. So that means there are multiple variable things that are going on. So first do one thing. Let us do one thing in the beginning, sir. Sir, let's take क्या दिया है, sir? Number of days, working days, average workings every day. Let's read it first. Let's read it first. Total working hours in a month for employee A is 160 hours. Ratio of the number of working days A to B is 2:3. Just understand what are my variables. Average working hours in B in a day is P hours and 5 hours less than E. Just a second. Which baj raha hai. So just turned on the noise cancellation. Acha. Total working hours for B is 60% of that of C. Number of working days of C is 1 more than B. Average is this. The ratio of total working hours A and D for acha, A bhi pata hai, so I'll figure out D. Acha. Reading this, the thing that I understood. So there are 5 people. I need to make a table. Otherwise, it looks like kind of a puzzle. The data. So what I'm saying, sir, average working hours per day. Average hours. This is one column, sir. So then number of days. So number of working days. This is and total working hours, sir. Total hours. That is another column because they have given us the data in this format. For 1% they have given us average. For 1% they have given us days. For 1% they have given us total hours. So we need to put that. Otherwise, we ourselves will get confused. We will get confused by ourselves only. Okay, sir? So whatever we know, we'll put. So total working hours A is 160. And sir, A and D ratio is 4:5. 160 is 4 parts, sir. So 5 parts will be 200, sir. Right? This is very simple. 160 is 2 parts, 1 part is 40. So 5 parts will be, sir. 5 parts will be, sir. 5 fours are 20. So 200 hours. This much. I hope this is clear. Now, let's move on, sir. So first things first. Now, ratio of number of days work A to B is 2:3. Acha. A to B is, sir, 2:3, sir. So if I say this is 2A, this is 3A. Just I'm putting all the data that I can. Very, like you see, I'm doing it in a very puzzle type way. You guys solve puzzles like this, right? Now, average working hours of B in a day is P hours. P hours, which is 5 hours less than E, meaning E is 5 hours more, P plus 5. Perfect. Now, total working hours for B is 60% of that of C. Acha. If C is, say, 100 B hours, then this is 60 B hours, or 0.6 also, you can write whatever you want. Number of working days for C is 1 more than that of B. Acha. Working days for C is 1 more than that of B, so 3A plus 1, because 3A is B. Now, average working hours for A and D is the same. So, A and D, average working hours, they are same. And uh, number of working days for D is double the average working hours in a day. Acha, acha, acha. Number of working days for B, for D is double of his average working hours. So if I say A, B, this is C, sir. C hours and C hours, this will be, sir, 2C hours. This is, sir, 2C hours. Ratio of total, so this we know. This thing we know. Let's figure out what we can. Sir, first things first that I can see. Sir, always remember average hours into number of days. This is equal to total hours. So I have this equation, sir. You see, both are only one variable. I have only one variable, one equation. So from this, can I say, sir, C into 2C is equal to 200. C ka value, sir, 10 aa gaya, sir. You see, C value is 100. So that means wherever you can see C, how is it, sir? So 10, it is 20, it is 10. Now. You see, A will become very simple from this. Why? So total is 160. So 160 by 10 should be this. So 2A ka value should be, sir, 16. That means A is 8. A is 8 means 3A is 24. 3 8s are 24. And this will become, sir, 25. This will become, sir, 25. Now this much we know. This much we know. Nothing around this, nothing extra is given, because you see, I cannot do this. Here, if I want, I can write 100B by 25. Nothing, so that is 4B. ऐसे करके कुछ लिख सकते. But again, don't worry. Whatever extra information, this is exactly like a missing table DI. Whatever extra informations we might need, that will be given to us. That will be given to us like in our question. Now, what is the difference between employee contribution in EPF for employee A? So EPF contribution for employee contribution is 12% off. 12% off basic salary. So basic salary, what's it? This into this, or rather two, like 160 hours total into, sir, every hour 250, sir. That is how much? 40,000 rupees. So anything equal to 40,000, DA is 40%. So 12% off basic plus DA means, sir, 40% of this. 40%. So this is 40,000. 40,000 ka 40% is 16,000, sir. So you can say 12% off 56,000 rupees. This is the employee contribution for A. And, sir, employer contribution for D. D also I know. Employer contributions are same thing, 12% off. 12% off. So let's see, sir. So total, sir, 200 hours into 250, 50,000 rupees, sir, basic, plus 40% of that. 40% of that is 20,000, sir. But, sir, minus 8.33 means 1 by 12%, 1 by 12 or 15. So 15,000 by 12. So 12, 12, 12, 12, 12, 12. 12s are 144, 60 remaining, na, sir? 5, 1250. So 1250. Achha, that means we have to calculate, brothers. So 12% of 70,000 minus 1250, sir. I hope you guys can see this. Now, the difference will be what, sir? 12, this thing, this bigger thing, this value, sir, minus that 12% of 56,000. So if I do minus, what I'll get, sir? Can I rewrite, sir? 12% of 70 minus 56. 70,000 minus 56,000, that is 14,000. Minus 1250, sir. Sir, कर लो calculation. 12% means a 2 zeros are gone. 12 into 14 and last में sir एक zero है, sir. Correct? Sir, how to do this? Sir, it is 13 plus 1, 13 minus 1. So 168. 169 minus 1 and the 0, sir. So this is 30 last में, this is 4, sir. 430 is the answer. 430 is the answer. 0.5 में दिए के रखा है. अच्छा, sir. 430.5 will be the answer. Let me say, there is a problem. The options are not correct. Options में थोड़ा गलत है, sir. Options में थोड़ा गलत है, sir. Okay? Now, why I am saying this? You know why for 430.5 आया है, sir? Because 8.33 is an approximate value. 1 by 12 is 8.33333. But again, 8.33 we always consider 1 by 12. But somehow, whoever has like solved this question using calculator. आप कैलकुलेटर में डाल के देखो 15,000 into 8.33%, you will get, sir, 0.5. कुछ ना कुछ 0.5 आएगा, sir. You will get something into 0.5, sir. That is what the problem is here. That is what the problem exactly is here. But again, the thing is that the 90% of the set I have just done for you guys. 90% of the set I have just done for you guys. So your job is to what? Your job is to just solve that, like the remaining cases. Not very difficult. The whole thing I've done. चलो sir, then let's move on. The first things first, ये हटाते हैं, sir. Now we have come back to our website. अच्छा, I guess this is the last question. क्या? हाँ, this is the last question. Quadratic का question है, sir. Quadratic equation का question, sir. So they are solve the both equations, form a new equation with z. अच्छा, using roots of 1 and 2 as per instructions. अच्छा, sir. First things first, ये solve करना है, sir. बाप रे, first equation तो looks very bad. चलो sir, हाथ धो के लग पड़ते, it will be lengthy. It will be lengthy. You cannot do anything. I don't think you can do because x बाहर करके. So 3x squared, sir, that is 9x squared plus 17 squared 289 by, sir, 4 squared 16 minus 2 into 3x into 17 by 4 2ab. It is equal to 81x minus 4703 by 16, sir. So 9x square. Sir, x wala term, sir, this is 2 gone, sir. So 51 by 2. So it is 81 plus 51. So this is 140, 142. X second. 51 by 2 and this is 81, na? अच्छा, 81 into 2 होगा ना? Sorry, sir. 162. So 162, this is 16, 5, 213, sir. 213 x by 2, sir. Right? Now, this will become plus, sir. 4703 plus 289 total divided by 16, sir. Total divided by 16. Now, if you calculate this, sir, 4703, 289, 9 plus 3, sir, 12, 1, 9, 49. 4992. 4992 by 16, sir. 3 16s are 48, 19 1s are this, 2s are this. 312. Let's do one thing, sir. 2 से multiply कर दो. 18x square minus 213x plus 624. 3 से I can take 3 common, but divide by 3. So 6x square minus 71x plus 3 means a 208. Sir, now I need to figure out the values of x, the roots of this. चलो थोड़ा calculate करके देखते हैं, sir. 208 means 2104, 2 sir 52, 3, 3 sir, or rather 13 sir direct कर देते sir, 4, 4 means 2, 2. And there is a 6 here. 6 means I have another 2, I have another 3 sir. Okay? I have another 2, another 3 sir. Now, 71 लाना है. Sir, 13 odd चाहिए ना, odd means odd and even. 13 into 3 sir 39. And sir 16 twos are 32. Are right, sir? Yes, sir, absolutely. You see, how did I think? I need an odd number. If I multiply 2 in both sides, I'll not get an odd number because 2 even numbers sum is always even. And 2 odd numbers sum is also odd, like even. So I need to take one odd. That means I cannot take even a single 2 and other is even. So take all the 2's to one side and 13 into 3, 39. Okay, sir. So plus minus wala case. So we all know this will be the x value will be say 39 by 6 comma 32 by 6. So calculate sir. 13 by 2 and इसको से 2 से कर दो sir. 13 divided by 2 comma 16 divided by 3. That is the value of x. That is your first value of x. 13 by 2, 16 by 3, 16 by 3. I'm just erasing this stuff. 13 by 2, 16 by 3. Okay. 13 by 2, 16 by 3. These are the values of x. These are the values of x. Now, second equation. So, second equation will not be that difficult. Y plus 99y is minus 125 or rather equal to 125 by 6. Now, y square plus 99 by sir y, it is equal to 125 divided by 6. Chalo sir, calculate. 6y square minus 125y and sir plus it will be sir 600 minus 6 is 594. ये भी बहुत छोटा कुछ होगा नहीं, छोटा कुछ होगा नहीं. They have told कि भाई भागो किधर से. Sir 594. चलो calculate. 2 means 297. 297 means 99 times 3. अच्छा मैं लिख देता हूँ. So this is 3 times 99, 3 times 33, 3 times 11. And 6 means 2 and 3. I need odd, but there are so many odd numbers. 33, 3393, 27 plus 27, 27 into 4, 108, 33 नहीं होगा सर. नहीं होगा सर. Anything else, anything else, anything else. 33 into 2 sir, 66 ले लेते हैं. 27 to 54, not matching sir. Not matching sir. Then. 339 and 2. 339 and 27, 54. 54 से नहीं जाएगा sir. Just a second. 11 to like 20 to 44. Answer, this is 81. Yes sir, it is going. It is going sir. So 88. So the answer y will be sir 81 by 6 comma 44 by 6. So this is 2 like 3 से करेंगे तो sir 27 by sir 2 and 2 से जाएगा तो sir this is 22 by 3. So y is sir 27 by 2 comma 22 by 3. Done sir. Now z, m I need 3/4 of the sum of the lowest roots of equation 1 and 2. Achha. M is what sir? M is 3/4 of the smaller roots of both the equations, sum. So smaller root is sir definitely this one here and sir this one here. Yes sir. So 16 by 3 and 22 by 3. 16 plus 22 is how much sir? 16, 18 plus 20, 38 by 3. Sorry, 3. So this is 19 by 2 sir. M value. N will be how much sir? N will be sir difference between the highest roots of 13 by 2 and 27 by 2. That is 14 by 2. That is sir 7. Done. Now, if I know two equations, I need the sum of roots, m plus n. So 19 by 2 and 7, that is 14. That is sir 14. एक सेकंड, ये ऊपर आ रहा है क्या? Is it showing on top? No, niche. No worries then. No. Sir, m plus n is then how much, sir? M plus n is 7 plus this is कहा गया वो है 19 by so that is 19 plus 14 33 by 2 sir. Options में 33 है तो ये वाला है और ये वाला 33 by 2 sir, right? And m into n will be what, sir? M into n will be, sir, 7 into this, so 19 by 2 into 7, sir, right? So 19 7 sir, 123, right? Sorry, 133, right? So 133 by 2. 133 by 2, sir. So definitely, sir, 133 is here, not here. So my answer has to be option B, sir. My answer has to be option B. We all know, you know now, like the sum of x square minus sum of roots into x in plus product of roots is the equation. So just go with that and say B is your correct answer. Say B is your correct answer, sir. And that is then it. That is then it for this particular mock. Khatam, sir. This is reasoning. Again, I hope you guys have understood the things that we have just done. And that will then be all. Next week again, I'll come with the previous 2023 sets. So like we'll solve every week, we are solving one set. Now, one simple thing I just wanted to convey to you guys about this thing. So this is the session, that is completely free, that has been arranged. Date and time you guys can see. It is arranged on, अच्छा मैं खुद को हटा देता हूँ भाई, ठीक है. This has been arranged on 28th of May, 6 p.m. and that will be on Zoom. The link to this session will be in the description section of this particular class. Okay, you go to the description and you will get the details and everything. So this is an AMA session. So again, any questions that you might have related to exam, related to the strategy and like that sort of stuff. So like we will be there to kind of address that. Okay, so again, one simple thing I wanted to just convey to you guys before I end. So again, thank you so much everyone for joining. I hope you guys have understood everything. If you have any doubts, any discussions, any questions, any feedback as well, please feel free to share that in the comment section. I generally read the comments whenever I get the time, and I will definitely try to improve. Just for example, last week's video, someone asked me to make some changes because I also know sometimes it becomes a little tricky to kind of get this if I solve on the board. So today I this week I've tried something else, but again, board mein jab karenge, then we can try something different as well. Okay, sir. So again, thank you so much, and I will see you guys. Take care. Bye bye. And if you have liked the session, please do hit that like. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.